আজকে আমি হাজির হয়েছি US-Bangla Airlines ক্র্যাশ সম্পর্কে আপনাদের কিছু বলতে। পাইলটের সাথে এয়ার ট্রাফিক কন্ট্রোলারদের কি কথোপকথন হয়েছে বিফোর দ্য ক্র্যাশ সেই সম্পর্কে জানতে দেখুন।
Star 211, I say again, do not proceed towards runway 20. Clear to hold at your present position.
Okay, we are making an orbit to the right. Copy. Tower 1211, making a right hold wind, right holding for runway 02.
Okay, that's good, but do not land. Traffic is on short final runway 02.
We know that, sir. Copy. Let us know once we are clear to land.
352, clear to hold beyond 15 miles due traffic. Lima Tango standby, Buddha 352, hold, confirm, you can hold at the present position? That's a copy.
220 में all Monir Hossain
एवं सर एवं खता हो यो एकदम डिसोरिएन्टेड भयो जस्तो लाग्यो।
त्यही त यो यसलाई त रडार भक्टर गरेर उता पठाउनु पर्छ जस्तो छ। यो कता जाला एकदम चाहिँ यो सराउन्डिङ काँडामा चाहिँ त्यति राम्रो छैन भिजिबिलिटी।
Roger, thank you sir. Bangla Star 211, runway cleared land and runway is vacated, either runway 02 or 20. Confirm you need vectors?
Sir, we would like to land on 20.
Okay, runway 20 cleared land, wind 270 degrees 6 knots.
260, copy, clear to land.
0 to go.
Bangla Star 211, confirm you have air runway in sight?
Negative, sir.
Bangla Star 211, turn right and you have a runway, confirm you have a runway not in sight yet?
Affirmative, we have answered runway inside, requesting clear to land, sir.
From Bangla Star 211, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 02, Bangla Star 212.
Roger, runway 02, clear to land, Bangla Star 211.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, copy.
RV 53, due traffic, Bangla Star 211, circling runway 20, says right now, final for runway 20. Initially, can you hold at present position?
Sir, we'll go.
Roger, Army 53, copy to 9 Lima Tango, Army 53 is holding at 10 miles. 9 Lima Tango, hold at present position.
Inside, sir. Are we clear to land?
Bangla Star 211, I say again, turn.
Master, break, Civic 154 clear to hold beyond 15 miles.
Copy, sir. Holding beyond 15.
RV 53 Lima Tango, report position.
Lima Tango is at 9 miles, 5,200, copy. We can hold here.
Okay, remain clear of Lima Tango and clear to hold at the signal area.
53 is at
1 miles, report level. 5,000. 9 Lima Tango also holding at 5,000. RV 53 also holding at 5,000. Confirm? Roger, copy.
Kathmandu sir. Fireball Star, Kathmandu Uttara.
Approach Civic 154.
Civic 154, go ahead.
So where is close go, sir?
Airport close, sir.
Copy, sir. We'll go out about till 35 GM, Civic 15.
Civic 154, Roger. Buddha 35 to go ahead.
We are 166 miles, starting out 1.
Buddha 35 to Roger.
Kathmandu Tower, helicopter 9 Lima Tango. Lima Tango 53 crossing, sir.
Crossing, happy.
Happy, sir.
Go ahead.
Tower 9 Lima Tango, we are holding at Profit Kari, sir. VIP flight. Would like to come inbound for East Taliban, sir, if possible.
9 Lima Tango. Okay, report, remain west of the airfield and report 1 mile northwest.
So remain watchful there, Sandy 1 half Tango Tango.
Tower Army 53.
Army 53, Kathmandu, go ahead.
Sir, this time 5.5 dB south and level 5000 descending for circuit, sir. And if possible, we'd like to compare parallel in between Alpha and Bravo 20.
Army 53, second position.
5 miles southwest.
And do you have Lima Tango inside?
Affirmative, sir.
Okay, Army 53, follow Lima Tango and report 1 mile, join right downwind runway 20, report joining.
Right downwind runway 20 and we are ahead, sir.
Okay, Army 53, report final on parallel runway 20.
Parallel 2053.
Niner India Hotel, go ahead. Niner India Hotel, Niner India Hotel, stand by.
Sir, situation clear, sir. Tower Lima Tango.
Number 353, Airline 679, Saudi 911. Hold at your present position and you can shut down your engines now.
Copy 3 sir. Copy sorry. Buddha 373 confirm to shut down engine.
Buddha 373, advise to shut down your engines.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, 911.
Tower 9 Lima Tango, we are right hand downwind for 20.
Clear to cross active via north and report final for east helipad.
Clear to cross active via north and call you final for east helipad Lima Tango. 53 Lima Tango, bow RDOI.
Please, sir.
Army 53, report final runway 20.
We'll go, sir, and we'll follow Lima Tango.
So that's proved. Report final runway 20.
Final 20, copy, sir.
Sorry, you could sir.
Bangla Star.
Roger.
8720, report position.
Go ahead, sir, 8720.
Report no name.
For loading, sir, 8720.
So Lima Tango, clear of exit, proceeding to east helipad now.
And Lima Tango, cleared land east helipad, take caution, vehicle movement.
Welcome, sir.
And Army 53 is starting final for 20, sir.
Army 53, cleared land runway 20, take caution, people movement towards intersection Charlie.
We'll go, sir, final for 20, clear to land, and we'll look out, sir.
Army 53, vacate runway via taxiway Bravo. And when vacated, contact ground 121 decimal line. Take caution, people movement.
We'll take caution and we'll exit via Bravo, sir. We'll look out, actually.
Nana India, India calling. This is Nana India, India. Okay, report 5 miles west. Confirm you are proceeding towards teaching. Nana India, India, report circuit area teaching. Airline 679, go ahead. Sir, door open garna hunva. हुन्छ सर प्यासेन्जरलाई प्लिज बाहिर निस्किन नदिनु डोर अहिले ओपन गर्दा हुन्छ 373 go ahead.
Also because to open the door will not be
Roger, that's approved with the 373.
We suggest you better divert to either Lucknow or Varanasi, sir. Due airport closed for operation, delay not determined. Due crash on airport.
I'll find that out locating, sir.
Nana India, India. Nana India, India second. India report 1 mile northwest.
For airport closed for all operation. Due crash on airport, delay not determined. We suggest you better divert to Lucknow or Varanasi.
Tower India 11 Northwest 46, sir.
Roger, 9 India India, clear to cross active via north, report go to track.
Roger, sir, via north, call go to tower. Go to tower.
9 India India, clear to land east helipad and take caution.
Alpha India east helipad, sir.
Roger, contact ground 12.9 9 India India.
Yeah, I repeat this time 3 times, 4 times now. Airport closed for all operation. Due crash on airport near the runway.